Tabby phosphor. Okay, I just want phosphors. Tar! Son of a bitch. Yeah, get in the water, you bastard. There are a lot of plots in here. There are a lot more plots than there are slimes. Hey guys, Minecraft here, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. So I think the last episode I got some boom slimes, really called. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, boom slimes. We still got pink slimes, the rock ones, and the tabbies, which I need to feed you guys some meat. Okay, so 3 chickens, and get some more heartbeats to feed everything else I have. Okay. Okay. You guys 6. I feed you guys the rest. Lord. Eat the chicken for a reason. Okay, fine. Don't eat the chicken. See if I care. There are a lot of plots in here. There are a lot more plots than there are slimes. Ow. Ow! Leave me alone. I didn't do anything to you. Ah, another pink floor. You ate it, nice. Okay. Now I need to put them we got mail as well I need to read. Get them moons. A reward that I don't actually have enough for. Star mail. Casey! What's up, Casey? The big storm. I got your mail, of course. I remember that day. I felt like that was when you really connected. It was raining so hard that the streets were flooding, and we took shelter in that cafe. It was like a scene from a movie, only we both looked like wet animals, and the guy running the shop was a real tyrant. The only way we could stay inside was by ordering one coffee after another. I felt like we learned more about each other that day than ever. Maybe it was the coffee, because we were both talking really fast. I told you about my dreams, making music and all that. At least that's how I remember it. Walking home, when the rain came back, you got closer to me and my heart was racing, but I couldn't blame it on the coffee. Aww, that's nice. I like Casey. You need to get some more tabby slime. I don't know where I found the previous ones. Corral, yeah. I need to put the boom slime somewhere. There we go. What do you guys eat? You eat meat. Okay, so you're just like the tabby slimes. Okay, I need to buy high wool. How much I need for them? Oh, 350. Did you just kill yourself? No, you're fine. I guess that's just, what, photosynthesis? Wait, that's a plant, so they make food by that. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna sleep till morning because it's nighttime. Sleep till morning. Return to ranch. I need food. But I don't want to use my chickens. Ooh, this place just thought, the harvest has come. Okay. I'm going to feed some of these to the pink slimes, and then I'm going to use the rest of them to go off adventuring in the area where those angry slimes are, because I need to find more slimes. Alright. I'm going to keep these pots for now. Actually, that's a bad idea. Yeah, I'll probably find something incredible I need, so I'll sell them. As you do. So that's how long this is going to be. I think I'll make this one a bit longer. But yeah, it's 12:29 now, so I should to 12:40. So I don't know how long I'm recording for already. Ooh, there's a lot of slimes over here. I'm making some carrots back with me as well. Pogo fruit. Didn't I need that for someone? Sweet! Ooh, another tabby slime. Oh, I really want the tabby slime. What do I do with it? Pogo fruit. Bye bye. Tabby slime! No! Root stroke, go away. Okay, yeah, eat that and then come here. Don't want the floor, I want the tabby! There we go. Okay. Back to the ranch. Why does the music change every time I enter a new area? That doesn't make sense to me. The boom slimes are having a hell of a time. Dun 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 dun. I think I can get more boom slimes. Yeah, I got the basics of like vegetables and I'm growing vegetables and fruit. Oh, I need to grow some fruit actually. That's a good idea. I'm growing everything else. So where's the hole that I found? Cause I go through a hole. That's a flashlight. Is it here? No, it's not. This is a nice place to look. Be tabby floor, or tabby slime. I mean, I'll keep you for later. Okay, some slime just popped out of that amorphous mass of vegetation there. Where are the slimes? Where's this hole? Oh, it's down here, isn't it? Ah! You're happy, leave me alone! Barely survived that one. Want some more booms now? I don't see any more. Odd onion! some more heartbeats I can take. Nice. There's a big boom! And a little boom. I need to give the odd onion something. I'll keep the odd onion actually. I'm gonna go explore this episode. Ooh, is that rock Gordo? What do you eat? You want anything veggie? I've got an onion for you. And some carrots. This is awesome. What's that? Treasure pod is locked. Ooh, there's treasure in this game. Nice. Do I need slime keys for treasure pods? Or need something else? I feel like I need something else because those slime keys clearly work for doors. What is this? Oh, it's a map! That is cool. Alright. From Bob. I am happy with what I've just found. So many boom slimes. Ugh. Scared me. What is this? Or is this just like a thing where hens, yeah, it's a fucking nest. Oh, that sounds so cute sometimes. Ah. Not the explosion. I guess you get some water. Water! I can hold 20 water. What are you? Puddle slime! Okay, I can collect your props and come back for you guys later. You guys are adorable. You're so adorable. I guess you drink, okay. You eat water because you live in water. What's over here? There's so much to explore in this game, that's why I like it. There's no way I'm picking that jump. I'm not even gonna risk it. That sounds so much. Ooh, our friend Harold. I used to come here when I needed a good soak. The bath in your house. It's a great way to clear your head. Sometimes I'd catch a puddle slime blushing, and I could never tell if it was because I was in my bathing suit or not. That's probably Harold, because your names are actually given. Another treasure pod. Yeah, you guys are adorable. I want you guys. But how do I keep you? Maybe one of the like options is a coop back at my thing. Okay. With as many rare floats as I have, I only have 2 puddle plorts. I should probably get more rare plorts or something else. So I have enough to build high walls. I love this game so much. Okay, no, keep turning the flashlight. I don't want to. So there's this place with our treasure pod. We need to find out how to open. There's our big Gordo. These Gordos are adorable, by the way. I love them. Let me go through here. Can I access the map from like just this stage? I probably should be able to. I'm just stupid. No treasure pod here. Why are they all locked? Do I need something to open them? Because I want the treasure. I bet something good, like, oh shit. No! Ah! Don't tell me a tar appeared. Oh wait, I have something to fight back now. Where are you, tar? Come get some! Yeah! I fought back against the tar. Yeah, it felt good. Now I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Oh, you guys having fun. I have 7 boom slimes, 2 puddle forts. Ugh, it's so hard to get out of there. Is there another way I can do it? What's over here? Why'd I do that? Carrots! And whatever that is. Okay, screw the puddle forts. Chewberry! Chewberry. I don't know what Chewberry does. I suspect it's important though. I mean, everything in the game is important. You need at least one of everything to survive. I don't know why you guys hate me so much. I didn't do anything. Just walk through your home. If your fortress, if your home is gonna be in a cave, you're gonna have to let people walk through it to get to the other side of the cave. If there is another side, and there is another side, because I know there is. I've walked through it many times. To come to terms with that. Okay, I'm gonna go home and put these slimes in their cages, or enclosures, I guess. Is it a zoo? What do you call pens, isn't it? Yeah, you call stuff on a ranch a pen. Okay, no one escaped. That's nice. I got you some friends, and you too. I got also some friends for you as well. That hurt. Okay, you guys need to give me some thoughts, so eat all this. Is that all the thoughts? How did you get out? Definitely, you got out as well? Come here. You're using your explosions to get out, aren't you? Of course you are. Bastards. Okay. Still these forts. I don't have enough. Shit. The music changed. I thought a tar had appeared. Yes. Stop. Okay, I'll show you some chickens now. Yeah, chicken hens. I can feed to my tabby forts, tabby slimes. Oh, no, you fucking don't. I see ya. You guys eat meat as well, so eat. I just want your poop. I'm an exterminator. Oh god, I got a tabby boom. Shit. How'd I get in there? I guess I could morph them. Yeah, I don't want to though. I want everything. Okay, yeah, high walls, nice. None of you got out, except for you. And there we go. So you try to get out of that one. Now, what do I do about you? Although you're adorable, I didn't plan you. Quit it! Bob. Chickens. You want lots of chickens, don't you? You give me 750 coins, so I might have enough what you have. I might have what you have. Might have what you want. You wanted something else, didn't you? You wanted chickens. You wanted hens and something else. What are those? Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave you as you are. Where do I go from here? Sorry, my dog was barking. Okay. Let's collect all this. What's over here? Oh yeah, some face has unlock. Oh, you took that for that. So much. Are they ever gonna stop exploding? I thought Tabby's ever gonna explode. What happens if I feed you? Star meal. Bob. Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens? Chicken. I like Bob. He has a simple goal. Okay, I'm gonna leave episode here. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and what see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Can I do anything with this? High walls. Spring grass. What does it do? Attracts scuttle bugs that chickens just love to eat. With their bellies full, hens will produce eggs just fast. Nice! Okay. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, and subscribe more. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.